Well, the state senator who authored this bill says it will protect undocumented students and their families, and she hopes it sends a message not just to them, but also to President Donald Trump.
Congratulations, Mr. President.
It was one of President Donald Trump's first actions upon taking office as America's 47th president.
We're getting rid of all of the cancer. I call it cancer, the cancer caused by the Biden administration.
That's how he viewed his decision to rescind a Biden-era policy that restricted federal immigration and customs enforcement, also known as ICE, from conducting raids and arrests in certain places the Biden administration labeled as protected areas, including hospitals, places of worship, and schools. Now that Trump reversed that policy, Pasadena Democratic State Senator Sasha Renee Perez says she's concerned.
Having ICE raids on school campuses, ICE raids in churches, it is not okay. It's reprehensible.
That's why Perez says she's authoring SB 98, also known as the Sending Alerts to Families in Education, or SAFE Act. It will require California public schools and colleges to immediately notify all students, parents, faculty, staff, and other community members if federal immigration officers are present on campus.
These college students, K through 12 students, and their parents want to know that their students are going to be safe on campus. And we need to make sure that we're providing them with updates when there is a threat on campus. And, ICE coming onto campus is a threat. We need to alert them of that and give them early warnings.
Perez, who is the chair of the Senate Education Committee, says the system is similar to emergency alerts schools already send out through text messages, phone calls, and emails.
I've heard from folks across my district, people that are scared to, send their children to school. We want directives and guidelines on what we can do to keep our students safe. And so we're trying to create clarity and policy around what they can do if ICE raids are to take place onto school campuses.
In a statement, a spokesperson from the U.S. Department of Homeland Security said Trump's decision to rescind the guidance on sensitive areas, quote, empowers the brave men and women in Customs and Border Patrol and ICE to enforce our immigration laws and catch criminal aliens, including murderers and rapists who have illegally come into our country. Criminals will no longer be able to hide in America's schools and churches to avoid arrest. Perez, though, sharing this message for President Trump and his administration.
It just leaves people with so much fear and uncertainty. And I really hope that they will reconsider their decision and rolling back some of those guidelines.
And we reached out to ICE for their take on this specific bill, but they say they do not comment on pending legislation. The bill is expected to come up for its first committee hearing in the coming months. Reporting at the state capitol, covering local news that matters, Eitan Wallace, Fox 40 News.